Ah, Jesus fucking Christ, guys. This is so aggravating. I hate when I have technical malfunctions. It totally sets me back, and it sets you guys back. Now I'm gonna have to go through everything all over again, but it's okay, guys. Hang in with me. This hour chart is telling me that we could keep going down this relative strength indicator. You know, if we are in for some bad moves here, we can expect to continue to bounce off this underbought level. And same thing with the CCI. The CCI will just jag it up and down, but we're going to get this downward pressure, and we're going to break this trend line here. You know, alright, I thought the Fed was going to, save the markets, but, I don't see them saving them now. So until they do, then that's when I'll change my mind. But as of right now, the selling is increasing on this hour chart. We're going to pick up heavily. I said that. Like, I don't know when I said it, but I said it was increasing here. So, and this candle wasn't as bad at the time. Now we are just going to keep making lower lows here, and we are going to test that pennant that was made, and look at how close we are in it, guys. We are going to break through this pennant. I mean, right now the indicators are low, but if this is a bear market, we are just going to get trashed, and it's like the market has no support. I expect it to just keep falling and failing. Now, I said we were looking for a bad pre-market last night within the episode BS and futures. So I just want to read you this report here. Oh, first of all, I wanted to read you the consensus headline is here, you know what? Instead of that, let's just get FinViz out. So FinViz, we got mortgage application, we got an increase, negative 3.3 prior to actual negative 1.9. So more people are applying, but that doesn't mean that they're gonna get those apps. Credit is much tighter. We didn't hit a lower low. That's pretty bullish. I still see us making lower lows, and this bull candle isn't even close to finito. Alright, I just want to make sure I'm doing audio check just because we're at 2 minutes. So, okay, these are the expectations consensus range for the CPI. I could just pull this up. I don't need to use their words. I'll just use my words. Okay, we're looking at prior 0.1 and expected is 0.1 gain, but they said we're looking at negative 0.1 to 0.5. And for core CPI, the prior is 0.2 and the expected is 0.2. But the year-over-year headline is expected up 2.4, and the consensus range is 2.2% to 2.5%. After a 2.2% read, while the core is seen up 2.1% from 1.8. So the core CPI is going up. That's indicating assets and commodity prices are increasing. That is bad signs, and that means the Fed is going to have to raise rates more. There you go, ladies and gents. There you go. Okay, well, we are picking up steam here. This is a transition candle, so we should get at least a good 5 minutes before it has to fail and we continue downwards. This spike, it can only spike so much up before we start to go down, and we're 7:30, so we still got eons before the open. Now this is quite crazy here. Eons before the open. That's a long time. I don't even know how long that is specifically. coffee was cold as a damn fucking cold as some fucking ice water. Now, let's see. Dollar continues to drop. I was calling that the dollar was dropping, but we kept increasing, so I gave up trying, but we're gonna touch that 88 handle. We're getting some support at 89 though. And right now where we are is 89.4, and we're getting some support there because we had previous resistance. Since you guys are freaking, you guys love gold, you know, I bet gold is spiking out because we got support at 60, the 61%. Look at that, guys. How did I know? We got support at the 61%. We are freaking spiking out, but will we get above 1360? You know, this could be it. The market could crash right now. Gold is fucking spiking out. This is something we gotta watch. I'm gonna pull up the 10-year. We're getting a pullback though. We're definitely overdone with that. Let me just pull up TNX. We are looking at the broader markets. This is gonna be the 10-year, guys. So we saw a big increase in selling overall yesterday. So we'll see if that continues today if the Federal Reserve doesn't prop up bonds. Now, is there anything else I could check? Well, the dollar's failing. You don't even want to look at that. You know, oh, Facebook is up couple dollars. It's up $5. Oh, that's so good. Oh, Facebook. Fuck out of here. Fuck out of here with that shit. 7%. I don't know where I got 7% from. Oh, because we're at 7 minutes. I don't know, guys. This does not look good at all. I'm going to pull up the rest of the futures so I could leave you on this wonderful bombshell of a morning. We got a lot coming out for us. Oh, I wanted to read you an article, boys. An article. Let me read that quickly before it gets too late. Look at this 10-minute. We are just absolutely tanking. Nothing we could do about it. Getting bear candle after bear candle, and this should be a worse bear candle. And if not, we could be turning around here, but I'd have to look on a. Let's just go 1 minute. Yeah, we're probably gonna get worse. Look at this, guys. Look at this candle. It's gonna break here. Oh, it's gonna break up? No, no. We're gonna break down. We're gonna break down. Yeah, you giving your last spurt of bullish energy before you fucking tank? Great. Now, I just want to read you some. So, another thing to look at is U.S. Military strikes on Syria are possible. So that's definitely, uh, definitely a factor. We got airlines are warned off the Eastern Mediterranean for 3 days. Bitcoin's trading at 6,847 for all you Bitcoiners. Oil's at 65.83, mid-range. I kind of thought it would keep going up. NBA mortgage apps, I went over that. Atlanta Fed inflation expectations are released at 10. In the much-watched EIA domestic oil invents release is at 10:30. And for Fed watchers, the minutes of FOMC March meeting will be released at 2. And then we will get a clue to the central bank's outlook on inflation, trade, and interest rate increases. And then it pretty much goes into the foreign markets. So I'm not really interested in foreign markets, even though they're down. I'm interested in the U.S. market going down. So that's what I'm looking at today. This is going to be a very interesting day. Very interesting day. I'm going to try and get as many videos out as I can. I'm so sorry I did not get a video out sooner. It is because I had technical difficulties, friends. I woke up late. I woke up at 6:30, so I couldn't get that video out around 7, so it's coming out 7:40ish, 7:50, almost 8 o'clock. But I will begin making the next video around 8:30 to get you that out as soon as possible, so that that information, um, the CPI information, we're gonna come in hot, and that's pretty sexy. So thank you very much, guys. I love you. Please like and subscribe. I will see you soon, and I am gonna work on this weekend a better platform to work with. Thank you. Take care.